Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce with a typical Italian pronunciation this Italian word that is mostly known for being the name of a classic yet simple Italian salad made of sliced fresh mozzarella, tomatoes and sweet basil. However, you must know that this word in Italian simply means from the island of Capri, which is an island in the Bay of Naples in the south of Italy. That's what this word actually means. The suffix ese just means from that area. Just like you'd say in English, New Yorker means from New York. Ese means from that area, like Bolognese means from Bologna, the city. Veronese would mean from the city of Verona. That's what it means. So it's not strictly just the name of the salad. Yet, how do you go about pronouncing it? In Italian, it would be said as Caprese, Caprese Salad. Not Caprese, but Caprese. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more useful words that you should know from Italian cooking, cooking terms and classic recipes from Italy that we love. They're all there. I'll see you there to learn more.